In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can quickly and easily view unsaved workbooks in Microsoft Excel. So let's just say you're working on something in Excel for the past few hours and you forgot to save it, then Excel crashes. If you're lucky, Excel will have an unsaved version of the workbook. To view all unsaved versions of different workbooks that may have been saved in the past, you can go to File, Now Info. Then from here, you can click on Manage Workbook and then Recover Unsaved Workbooks. And as you can see, here are all the workbooks that Excel had just kind of randomly decided to save, even though autosave has been turned off. And as you can see, a lot of these versions are Microsoft binary files, which opens up like a normal workbook, but if you're going to recover as an Excel binary file, you're going to save it as a normal Excel workbook. Yeah, and this also another place to check if for some reason working on something and you're like, where did it save? Well, it saves in this weird roaming Excel space right here. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. Hopefully this will help you recover an unsaved workbook. If it does, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.